Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. Guys, today's crazy. There's so much happening in crypto. We've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. Elon Musk has officially entered the Twitter offices today, literally carrying a sink. And I assume that means let that sink in for a moment. Anyway, that's hilarious. There's a whole heap of stuff to go through today, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video and let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We're just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolutely magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye, especially in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. I have an espresso. It is 5 o'clock. There we go. There's so much happening out there, guys. And in Melbourne today, the rain has literally not stopped all day. So, like, excuse the hair. Being out in the rain for building sites, actually, believe it or not. So, pretty crazy. Anyway, now, let's go to the community tab. Dogecoin is absolutely pumping. All right. And again, I'm still holding my Doge, obviously, before all of the other stuff happened with Elon Musk, all right? So it is absolutely pumping right now. It is up like 20%. We're going to go through that in a second. Very curious that 86% of you actually do not hold Doge, all right? But anyway, I did get into that very early. Now, obviously, guys, know what you're holding right here. These are the coins straight up. I mean, this is it. These coins right here are going to change the financial world forever. We know this for a fact, and there's so much stuff happening with Ripple and XRP in London and New York, and I think it's intentional anyway, but we're going to go through that, so stick around. Again, 81% of you voted XRP. We've got 4% XDC. Don't sleep on XDC, just saying. XLM is at 4 cents. You got Hedera at 4%, HBAR 4%, Quant, IOTA, and Algorand at 7% as well. Here we go here. Let this sink in. And I thought this was just hilarious. There is a video on Twitter of Elon Musk literally walking into the Twitter head offices with a sink. I could use that on my job sites, mates. So send that over here. I can put that in the new bathroom. Anyway, that's hilarious. Altcoins that were up, of course, with Dogecoin, 14%. Sologenic at 9.1%. Shiba Inu is up as well. Usually follows Dogecoin, to be honest. Ethereum's up 6% as well as Rose. Now, interesting stuff right here, all right? So this is a Ripple buyback, obviously XRP on the secondary market. Ripple expands beyond cross-border payments into treasury flows and bulk payments. So I don't think that most people realize how fast and how high the price of XRP will be after settlement. Absolute facts right here. And look at this. Ripple has been buying, been a buyer of XRP in the secondary market, all right? So very interesting stuff, and expects to continue to undertake purchases at future market prices as ODL continues, on-demand liquidity, continues to gain global global momentum, meaning growing every single day and every week, really. Total sales by Ripple and net of purchases ended the quarter of 0.47 of global XRP volume, according to the Crypto Compare top tier CTTT volumes. Anyway, crazy stuff right here. And obviously, you got here, guys, Q2 of 2022 this year was a record quarter for on-demand liquidity as volume grew considerably with the 9x year-on-year growth. Customers continue to expand the use of on-demand liquidity, guys. Treasury flows and bulk payments. Let that one sink in, guys. Look at this. Total XRP sales by Ripple, net of purchases, was $408 million versus $273 million the previous quarter. So Ripple has continued to engage in sales solely related to on-demand liquidity. Just wait till this case is over how big this is going to be. Mind-blowing stuff, all right? Now, let's go to Coinspot quickly. I'm not going to go through everything, guys, because I want to get through all the news. And again, this is Coinspot. I buy my cryptos here in Australia. please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in that coin right there, Bitcoin. That'll go to $1 million very soon. I'm sure of it. Probably 5 to 10 years. All right, so just stick with it. Now, let's go to the prices here. All in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody, of course, around the world, including my Aussie fans. Bitcoin's sitting at 32,000 Australian dollars, guys. It is up 1.55% today, guys. It's up and down all the time. But honestly, I believe this is the bottom. Excuse me, that coffee's just coming up. Obviously, I think this is the bottom. $19,000 Bitcoin for now is the bottom. I don't see it going any lower than this. I think we are primed and ready for a massive up run, a bull run up. I think it's just starting right now, and it was very short-lived, but I think there's so much adoption happening now. Institutions, inflows from banks and so forth. They want to get into this, guys. So I don't think it's going to drop much lower than that. I don't think so. Now, Ethereum's at 2,468, which is really nice because my investment's doing well, right? So I'm happy about that. Not too bad. So I'm good with that. Let's go down to XRP at 74 cents. Still undervalued. I mean, straight up, it's still undervalued. Now, let's go to Cardano at 64 cents as well. Some other favorites. I'm just going to go through the banking coins. XLM is at 18 cents. You've got Near Protocol at $4. I believe that was listed on Coinbase as well. So, assuming that hasn't even pumped up as well based on that announcement. Quant is down to 278. If it gets below that $250 mark, I will buy more Quant. You got VeChain at 3 cents as well. Hedera's at 9 cents. I'm going through all the banking coins. Let's go here. Where are we? IOTA is sitting at 41 cents today. What else we've got? Casper at 7 cents, still undervalued in my opinion, and XDC just under 5 cents as well, so 4 cents right there. So it's been holding strong at that level, and I think it's still incredibly undervalued. Now let's go into crypto bubbles, and before I do that, ladies and gentlemen, join the Wall Street Bull University Patreon. It is linked below. I literally put up all my top portfolio gainers, my trades, my sales, what I'm bullish on, projects. We talk about everything in this community. It's very bullish, just everything in general. So, and again, I can speak to you directly in here. It's a lot easier for me. So, guys, join up below. It's linked down there. You will not regret it. All right. Now, moving on. Let's go to crypto bubbles to see what's happening on the day. And I'm going to try and keep this video a little bit shorter, but Clay is up there. Doge is pumping. Look at that. 20% on the day, 34% on the week, and 31% on the month. Now, I just want to point out as well, I bought into Doge before Elon Musk did the whole SNL thing. And obviously all of that stuff with, Tesla and crazy stuff. I mean, it went up to 80 cents AUD, so Australian dollars. So it was a lot. So I took profits out of that, put it into Bitcoin. All right, that's what I did, and I still held at least half of my position in Dogecoin. So I'm seeing that go up really nicely as well, but still not up to those levels where I basically bought it. So it's still doing well. I'm not complaining about that. Now, we've got Clay again popping its head up here. 21% on the day, 78% on the week, and 19% on the month. Still, guys, I don't know what that's doing. Obviously, Shiba Inu, 11% on the day, 17% on the week, and 5.2% on the month. I'm still holding my Shiba Inu. I'm still up on it. And there's a lot happening with Shiba Inu and the burn. Usually when Doge goes up, Shiba Inu follows as well. Ethereum proof of work, 10% on the day. I don't know, for those traders who are looking to make those, small 10%, 7% gains. I mean, meh. Anyway, I'm not really interested in that. Anyway, Hex is up as well. 8.1% on the day, still up 39% on the month. Can't complain about that. Richard Hart is posting all of his photos of his designer outfits. Loves doing that stuff. Power to him, man. That's all good. And of course, XRP up 2.2% on the day, 3% on the week, and 9.9% on the month. Just wait for any more positive news to come out of this lawsuit. Watch what's going to happen to this. It's just going to shoot up like a rocket. All right, let's go into some news now. I think Ripple is just, giving some hints right here because there's a lot of advertising going around the world at the moment in London and New York. Obviously, major hubs right there. But ad shows up on walls on Wall Street right here. And I'm going to stop that because it's going to go to a stupid thing. But look at that. Now, let's keep going down here. So, Emi Yoshikawa, Ripple's Vice President of Corporate Strategy and Operations, has reacted to the images on Twitter showing Ripple's advertisement, Crypto Means Business, on different sections of a Wall Street subway station in New York City. The translation of her tweet, Ripple's Crypto Means Business ad hijack at Wall Street subway in New York. Look at this. I'm wondering if I can play this right now. Here we go. Let's have a look at this. There you go. Look at that. On Wall Street, Ripple is all over it. This happened in the UK as well. So is this a sign? that something big is coming, guys. Honestly, why would you be putting up posters like this? And I just want to point out as well, let me just see if I can stop this. Look at this. Send payments 24/7, 365 with Ripple's crypto solutions for businesses right here. You can see it on the wall. How good is that? I mean, honestly, you wouldn't be going to put everything on the Wall Street subway right there if you weren't trying to say something. And it's pretty much like Brad Garlinghouse putting on his Twitter page there, that 589. Still hasn't changed, mind you, as well. So according to some Twitter users, Ripple ads are now being spotted in parts of New York City and London. This is happening right here. CNBC correspondent says huge row of Ripple ads were spotted in Liverpool Street Station right now. And Ripple-related ads are also reportedly spotted at the World Trade Center in New York City. And I've been there as well. It's a pretty moving site, obviously, but I've been to that area right there. It's full on. And again, Tony Edward, a host of Thinking Crypto podcast, tweeted about watching the Warriors-Lakers game on TV, and Ripple commercial came on. If you are able to get a hold of that commercial, please put it up on Twitter and I'll retweet it. All right. So anyway, so look at this. According to Ripple's new 2022 New Value report, 70% of respondents from European financial institutions believe that blockchain and the underlying technology that underpins Ripple's cryptocurrency solutions would have a major or significant impact on their industry over the next 5 years. This is what I'm saying. And the coins that I put up before in my community tab, you know, these ones right here, guys. Straight up, these ones here are going to change the financial world. They really are. They've got real world utility and they're actually being used right now. So I'm not buying any more meme coins. I'm just sticking with the banking coins because that's where my money's going. Now, XRP and Cardano trader sentiment hits extreme bullish level with crowd hopeful of gigantic price surge. So after a close to 3 months of dampened of on-chain activity and euphoria around the crypto market, crowd optimism seems to be creeping back as investors anticipate a massive rebound in XRP, Cardano, and other crypto assets this quarter. Obviously, guys, I'm not going to go through this, but the crypto crowd is far from euphoric towards markets, but the persistent negativity and bearishness have faded as traders anticipate a rebound here in Q4. And sentiment right here tweeted Thursday, BTC, BNB, XRP, and ADA all indicate crowd bullishness, while Ethereum is just slightly bearish. I don't know about Ethereum. I'm really thinking about selling it now that I've just literally gotten my money back out. But anyway, so Dogecoin skyrockets over the 10%. By over 10%. His Twitter deal looks obviously likely to close on Friday. That is tomorrow in Australia. That'll be Saturday in Australia as well in the United States. But Doge skyrocketed again, 10% on Wednesday, as the Twitter deal is likely to close on Friday. The whole crypto market is now following the current negotiations between Twitter and Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, who wants to acquire the social media platform. According to Doge design, Dogecoin adoption could be at a big boost after this deal. I think it's coming as well because they are talking about a crypto wallet. And obviously this is interesting as well. I'm not sure if this is going to happen, but a new proposal right here, obviously to burn 80% of Dogecoin's supply community responds right here. So Doge has incredibly been popular among the meme coin community, which has welcomed it with open arms. The native token has also done well considering its launch during the bear market. But the crypto winter has eventually caught up with it as expected, given this Dogecoin developers have proposed a drastic reduction in supply of the digital asset, and the community has come out of full support of that, which is really interesting. So they're going to basically reduce the supply of Dogecoin. It could send the price going upwards. Now, moving on, we've got Changpeng Zhao, CZ. Says Binance is zeroing in on the identity of the hacker behind the $570 million exploit. That is crazy money. So basically this, responding to the question on what can be done to reduce crypto hacking incidents. Obviously, Zhao says that in a new CNBC interview that the exchange has received information of law enforcement authorities on the possible suspect involved in the host. What was hacked was a cross-chain breach that sits between two open blockchains that were hacked. The total affected amount was 2 million BNB, but the blockchain obviously was able to freeze about 80 to 90% of it. So the actual loss actually is much smaller. We're still actually helping them to chase the bad players working with law enforcement around the globe. Full on, that is just crazy money. We've got an update from JPMorgan, exploiting applications of digital identity. The bank's potential digital wallet would enable, sorry about this stupid pop-up right here, would enable people to choose digital identity credentials They want to share across Web3, DeFi, and the metaverse. This is all going to be tied in with CBDCs, all right? So, I don't know, man. JPMorgan seems a bit fishy to me, to be honest. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. Now, Trader, who accurately predicted the 2022 crypto crash, updates outlook right here, guys, on Bitcoin and Ethereum as volatility spikes. So a widely followed trader known calling for this year's crypto crash is warning that the current market bounce will ultimately turn into a deadly fake out. I don't know. So we have seen the biggest chart liquidations in recent months, proving that this move is a short squeeze and that most people was positioned obviously to the downside, hence the hate I was receiving lately. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. All right, so do you think, I honestly think we're going into a full-blown bull market, to be honest with you, because again, I think things are different now in crypto. Now, let's go to cryptometer.io and check what's going on here, where the money is flowing today in the last 24 hours. We've got ETC, which is interesting. Doge, of course, Shiba Inu. We have Zcash as well. Do we have XRP there? Yes, that's nice. Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, and we do not have any others there, but it's nice to see XRP, and obviously, guys, Zcash I was looking at earlier this year, but I don't think I'm going to be buying it. Now, let's go to Twitter. Now, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. For those of you who want to follow me, there we are. Check the usernames below, please. Make sure they're the correct ones. Now, I'm doing a giveaway if my channel hits 100K, when it does, and it's a silver bull heads ring right here because we're all bullish. So, if you're not following me on YouTube's, guys, join up, because once I hit that, I'm going to be doing a full-blown live giveaway straight up, and I'll be mailing that express post to anywhere in the world that actually can accept silver jewelry. Just saying. Now, Wall Street and Ripple, very, very bullish stuff right now. Now, let's go to Elon Musk. You've got a beautiful thing about Twitter is how it empowers citizen journalism right here. People are able to dismantle news without establishment bias. I think that's going to be incredible. XDC and Swift right here, and MIOTA Go deliver major milestone in fight against trade finance fraud. XDC Network Sinfin, with the launch of the system over Swift, the trade finance industry now has a natively global solution that is interoperable between markets, institutions, and platforms. Incredibly bullish. Do not sleep on Sinfin XDC. And this is obviously Elon Musk having, I believe it looks like a coffee of some sort. Looking very fresh at Twitter headquarters right there. Pretty full-on stuff. Now, we've got this video here. Thank you, Rico, for retweeting this, but we've seen this before. Basically, Ripple is the chosen one. We know this. Thank you for that tweet, by the way. Coinbase assets, you've got XCN, Ocean Protocol, which is a Web3 project that I was speaking about a long time ago as well in my list. Near Protocol. What else we got here, guys? We've got Hedera, of course. We've got MCO2, ING as well. INJ, sorry. And that's pretty much it. I can't remember this fellow YouTuber's name. Forgive me, man. I can't remember it. But Quincy? Is that his name? I can't remember. I think it's like that. Sorry, man. Let's have a listen to him speak because he's got some incredible knowledge about XRP. I absolutely love his stuff. Let's have a listen.
You have to issue all of the price of XRP will go. It has no idea. Zero, absolutely zero clue. But I'll give you a tiny hint of an idea of what could happen. So XRP it's a financial instrument of value. And that instrument is basically, the instrument's really liquidity between different other instruments like bonds, stocks, currencies, everything basically. Yeah. And the XRP is only worth the value of the things that are issued on it, because it would cost XRP to buy those things on the network and use that liquidity. Mm-hmm. So what ends up happening here is not only do you have to issue all of the equity, but you've also got to issue all of the debt. So XRP is only bound by the fiscal responsibility of the people that issue assets on it, which is obviously irresponsible. So XRP could be at $100, $100,000, $1 million. It depends on how many assets you want to issue onto the network. So if you wanted to issue, $100 trillion worth of equity, cool. That's a lot of money on the network. What happens if they want to issue another $500 million worth of debt? That also adds value to the network. So there really is a mind-blowing amount of wealth, essentially, that could basically be flowing through these networks that we can't even comprehend because of that debt question of being able to issue more and more and more value in the
Absolute legend. Thank you for that video, and I apologize if I haven't got your name right, all right? So correct me in the comments, please. Anyway, so Justin, 30-year mortgage rates hit 7.16%, highest since 2001. Crazy stuff right here. And obviously, guys, let that sink in right now. We've got Elon Musk here walking in. So there is no coincidences here, are there? Right here, me No, we tried to warn them about Twitter years ago. Fun to watch, greatest show of all generations. So let that sink in right there, and you can see Elon Musk letting that, literally walking in with a sink. Crazy stuff right here. I think he's going to change up the whole thing, just saying. And I just want to point out, look at all these transactions of XRP. You had $27 million, another $27 million right there. You had Quant, $5 million of Quant. That would have been nice. You had another $27 million of XRP, $32 million of XRP, and $14 million of XRP, literally in the last 12 hours. Mind blown right there. Absolutely incredible. Now, I'm not going to go into everything else because that's pretty much it. Let's go to CoinMarketCap right now. If we go here, guys, we're in, obviously here, $103 billion, and we've hit $1 trillion in USD total market cap. Very, very bullish. When this starts to creep up to about 150 billion US dollars, that's when people can easily take profits. All right, straight up. Let's go here, guys. My portfolio right now, if I go last 24 hours, Doge, Shiba Inu, Sologenic, Rose, Ethereum, Phantom, Theta, Harmony One, and Hero. They are the top gainers in the portfolio. Honestly, guys, my money is going to these coins right here because these are actually going to literally change the financial world. Ethereum, of course, we know that's the favorite one right here. IOTA, Algorand, XRP, Link, AVAX, Hedera, XLM, XDC, ADA, Quant, Casper, and Alliance Block. And to be quite honest, I'm for anyone out there who's looking for, even if you hold $1,000 of each one of these coins, you're set. In my opinion, it's not financial advice, but that should be the goal for everyone to hold well over that. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much. I will speak to you all in the comments. And apologies about my screen. I don't know what's happened, but we'll speak to you then. Peace out. Bye.